Hi, it's me again with Corel Tips and Tricks. If you've watched enough of my videos, you know that I use a deal called a yellow box trick to find out if there's any white behind the background, and I click it and I go to object, order, back a page, and you can see the white background. But there's another way you could turn your whole page yellow. If you see the shadow of this page, if you will left click your mouse, double click it, it'll bring that up and go to background and go solid, and then pick your color. And I would pick a really light yellow and then say, okay, but I wouldn't worry about this, but when you would want to not print it or export the background color. So now my whole page is yellow and I can see that it's white. And you can just, you can go back and change that and go back to background and turn it no background. And then you've got a white, I don't know that you would want to toggle back and forth, but that could be very useful if you had a lot of clip arts on your page instead of doing my yellow box trick. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.